Do you have a plumbing problem in your home or business? Are you currently experiencing a plumbing emergency and need it fixed as soon as possible? Don't panic and trust fixing it to just anyone. When it's your house or your business, you need to make sure you're dealing with a plumber that has the knowledge and experience to get the job done quickly and effectively. We would love to help you. Whether your plumbing issues are large or small, you deserve a plumber who is fast, polite, punctual, and clean. One that is committed towards saving you time and money. We will assess the problem quickly, tell you the cost, and get the job done right. Don't risk adding more damage to your home or business by putting off the repair any longer. Contact us today. You can reach us by following the directions on this page. We look forward to hearing from you.